In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy Premier League tickets online. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, there are actually two different ways in which we can buy Premier League tickets online, and I'm going to be covering both of those methods in this video today. The first way in which we can buy Premier League tickets is directly from the club's website. So as you can see here, I'm on the Chelsea website. However, you just want to head over to the website which you're trying to buy tickets for. So if you're an Arsenal fan, you're going to want to go over to their website. From there, there'll be a section at the top which says tickets, and you can then go down and click buy tickets. From here, we can go ahead and click learn more under general admission, and they actually give us a bit more information about buying tickets on this page. So if we scroll down to this section which says summary of how to buy match tickets, they basically give us a step-by-step guide on how we can do this. So they say that match tickets for home games will go on sale 42 days before the fixture, and tickets are normally sold in the following order. So to start with, 1 ticket per members go out to members only. From there, season ticket holders and members can purchase 2 additional tickets. And then finally, it goes on to a general sale, which is basically just a sale to the general public. However, it does say down here that you're strongly advised to take out a membership to purchase tickets, as the general sale is something that does not happen very often. Now, this is just for Chelsea. It may be different for other clubs. So you do want to have a look on the website which you're a fan of and to see how their system works. So that means in order to get guaranteed tickets, we will have to become a member. And you can do that by clicking member here. And then this will actually allow you to sign up to become a member by clicking on that. And as you can see here, we can start signing up to become a member. Now on this page, it also says that tickets should only be bought from official sellers. And that means the Chelsea FC website or via official resellers. So this brings us on to the second way in which we can get Premier League tickets. You see, these platforms actually offer tickets from fans who can't attend the match. But be careful, because there can be inflated prices and a risk of fake tickets. So you do want to make sure to use an official seller. They actually have a list of official resellers down here, and we can actually head over to their website to buy resold tickets. So you can go to any official trusted reselling site, and you can then choose to book now. From there, you can find the game which you're trying to buy, and you can then click more info to find out more info about the ticket. So in summary, the only ways in which you can get Premier League tickets online is either via the official website of the club that you want to go to, or via an official ticket resale platform. And that's how you can buy Premier League tickets online. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.